There is a good chance that my next big project is going to happen here sooner than I thought. I'm just out inspecting all the beautiful mowing that I accomplished yesterday and today. I got farther back into the back field. Everything's looking great. What is that? Uh-oh. This is a very concentrated bleach and water. Hey, Bones. It's not a big branch. Let's see if this concentration kills them faster. Ah, fuck. Shit. Hopefully nobody escaped. Suckers. They're not as close to the lip, so hopefully they can't climb out. They will eat my entire tree, and I'll show you. I'm right outside my animal enclosure on the opposite side of my property. This tree had tent caterpillars, and I didn't get to dealing with it. And they pretty much ate the entire bottom half of this tree. Unfortunately, this also means that they may be back in this spot next year. When I see a hornet, I watch where it goes, and then I spray. Poison parsnip. This stuff is so hard to manage. Hey, Bones. I was going to come out and weed whack underneath this electric fence, but it is not looking too bad right now. There is a good chance that my next big project is going to happen here sooner than I thought. What I want to do is take these T-posts and space them out, probably 2 for every 4 that I have right now. I'm going to lay some cedar corner posts, and then I'm going to spread these posts out and make this area 4 or 5 times bigger, I hope. I'm not sure if I want to make it any wider this way. I definitely want to knock out this entire side and bring this straight across all the way over into those weeds over there. Then probably back, and then probably square across to that building. This is my old well that I would like to keep them away from, although it's not critical. So if I could build the fence, you know, from the edge of that outbuilding, I mean away from it, but that place, and then over to the back, then they could take care of all of this for me. And then eventually I will head back into that field. So the excavator that I used when I redid the animal enclosure is being returned tomorrow. So I had asked if on the way back, possibly we could dig a bunch more post holes and sink some of the remaining posts that I have. It won't take long. All we have to do is sink the posts. Then I can get to work pulling up the T-posts I will disassemble the electric fence. I have a pretty good understanding of how to connect all of that. I'll get some corner brackets for the fencing, and I should be able to rebuild that pretty much by myself once the posts are in. Not only will this give them so much space, and they're going to help me manage all of the weeds and growth on my property, also it will help with my feed costs because I shouldn't have to be feeding so much hay during these warm months. They should be getting more food right here off the property, growing for free in abundance. Look at how quickly they cleared this area. It will not take them long. They will make short work of all of that out in that field. It's been pretty quiet in here. I hope I got them all. And I spoke too soon. I've got an active nest. I've got to spray again. I don't know if they're just visiting or if they're trying to rebuild, but I'm going to treat everything one more time. It is very hot in here, and I'm wearing a mask this time because this poison is noxious.